All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve for a division problem when you're missing either the dividend or the divisor, either the first number or the second number, for those of you who don't know what those words mean. So in this first example problem right here, we're missing the first number, we're missing the dividend, and what I'm going to tell you guys to do is just write an example problem on your test. Do an example division problem that you all know the answer to, and we'll just do an easy one. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So if you guys all just write that down in your test on Friday, I think you'll be good. Now we're missing the first number right here, so go ahead and scribble out this first number right here, and you'll see that the way to get back that 6 is to multiply the second number times the last number, to multiply the divisor times the quotient. So 2 times 3 gives us back that first number that we're missing. So we're going to apply that same strategy here. We're going to take the second number, we're going to take the divisor, and we're going to multiply it by the quotient right here. So it's going to be 2/3 times 1/5. Now, a big mistake that my students make is that they flip this 1/5 because they think we're still dividing fractions. No, this is just regular old division. We don't have to flip anything. It's just 2 times 1 on the top, which gives us 2. And then for the denominator is 3 times 5, which gives us 15. So your answer is 2/15. Now, if you want to check your work, you can totally do that too. You take 2/15, and we're going to divide it by 2/3, and we're going to see if we get 1/5. So we're going to go through, we're going to find the reciprocal, we're going to flip this 3/2, and we're going to multiply. So we get 6 over 30. Now 6 over 30 can be simplified. We can cut this in half. We get 3 over 15. And then this can be divided by 3 and divided by 3 down here as well. And we get 1/5. So it checks out. 2/15 is a correct answer for that one. Now over here, we're missing the second number. So let's go back to the example problem. We're going to do 6 divided by 2 equals 3. You can use whatever division problem you want. This is just the one I like to use for my students. So this time we're missing the middle number right here. We know it's 2. So the way to get 2 using 6 and 3 is we're going to take 6, the first number, and we're going to divide it by the last number, 3. So we're going to take the first number, we're going to take the dividend, and we're going to divide it by the quotient right here. Make sure you go in the correct order. If you mix up the order, you're going to get the wrong answer. So it's going to be 4/5 divided by 1/2. So we're going to go use a reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2 over 1. We're going to multiply, and we get 8/5. So 8/5 is our answer. And you can leave, in my class, you can just leave your answer as a fraction. We don't need to rename it as a mixed number. And we can check our work too next. So we're going to take 4/5, and we're going to divide it by 8/5, and we're going to see if we get 1/2. So we're going to find the reciprocal of 8/5, which is 5/8. We're going to multiply. We're going to get 20 over 40, and I can see we can simplify the zeros, and then we can simplify that by half, and we get 1 over 2. And so we get the 1/2, so it checks out. So 8/5 is the correct answer for this one.